favorite Sudden Burst. And the rough air lead is taken by Royal Jeddah by the rail, followed by Diamond Magic on the outside, and Sudden Burst by the rail, Manly. And at the mid-back stretch, Royal Jeddah followed by Sudden Burst on the outside, and Diamond Magic running in third, Manly, Charlie's World, and Sugar Daddy. Rounding the pattern, the lead is taken over now by the favorite Sudden Burst by Jeddah, and Diamond Magic remains in third. Charlie's World, Manly, and Sugar Daddy is bringing up the rear. And into the home stretch, and is still the favorite Sudden Burst in the lead. It's Sudden Burst followed by Royal Jeddah, and Diamond Magic moving up on the outside. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Sudden Burst in the lead, followed by Royal Jeddah on the outside, Diamond Magic. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Sudden Burst in the lead, Sugar Daddy by the rail. It's Sudden Burst and Sugar Daddy, and finally at the payoff line, Sudden Burst, Sugar Daddy, Diamond Magic, Royal Jeddah, Manly, and Charlie's World.
Okay.